How to make double exposure video in Canva. So creating a double exposure video in Canva can be engaging way to blend visuals and convey artistic message here. So open Canva, click on a create a design button and choose your preferred dimension for the video. In my case, it will 1920 1080p pixel for the standard video format. The step 2 is upload your base image. So go to the upload text section here. Now here my base image will be a green color, right? And here you can fill up the background whichever color you want, right? This is typically a portrait of significant subject that will serve as a base for your double exposure effect. Now if your image has a background, then you can remove it from background remover tool available under editing image here, right? For example, let's take this is one of my image here, right? And the background is completely removed. So I will just copy, right click on it and click on copy. Now here and paste it same here, click on allow. Now we have it, right? So we have to take the background image here. Now just go to the edit here. In the edit section, you have to go to the adjustment. Now the temperature, make sure you reduce it, right, completely. The brightness full, contrast 100%, highlights, shadows, and whites. You can increase each and everything, right? It's completely up to you how you want to do so. And make sure you reduce the sharpness to -100 and clarity to the -100, right? And in this way it can be a good one. Now here we can just zoom out this image a little bit, right? And we will take, let me just make it like this. We'll take this image and put it here, right? So this is one of the way which you can do it, but let me show you the another method which is really good. So let me just delete the background here. You have to select here. Now just go to the edit, now scroll down or go to the shadows. Right now here this is a glue up, right? So this is really interesting. We can change the color. For example, I want it completely red. Now here I will just put this as a red. Now here the size, I can increase the size here, the blur as well as the intensity. So I can just make a double exposure in this way, right? So this is the best method, as well as we have a different methods to do this, and it's really interesting. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.